Hello everyone, thanks for watching my videos. Today our topic is guys, it is conversion from XML to field pixel length. So in CPI we don't have any standard functions to convert XML to pixel length files, okay, pixel length values. So we have to convert this using some Groovy script or XSLT mapping. Okay, now we will create one iFlow to generate the pixel length file from XML. Okay, so guys, first of all, before going to that, so I have referred one website, guys. Through this website I am going to take one example and I will convert this XML file to pixel length file. Okay. I will share this link in our video description also. So coming to our example, okay, this is our example XML, guys. I am going to convert this XML file to pixel length file. So in this way, so the requirement is from client is like, we have to they will read the pixel length file for further process, so they are expecting the pixel length file from us from XML. Okay, here we have total 7 fields, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 fields. This is, let's say, some employee data. I have taken some example, guys. I have taken for in this example only 3 records. Okay, in 3 records I have to convert this into pixel length file. So pixel length file means every field should contain some pixel length. Okay, if the length is less than that expected length, then we have to pad some values. If the length is more than that expected length, just we have to trim the length. Okay, in this case, see, I am going to take some lengths, guys. Here for example, this is, we have total 7 fields, right? Employee status, first name, last name, country, start date, end date and marital status. Okay, so for employee status I am going to take one length, and so employee status means this is active employee or terminated employee, intern employee or contractual employee, like that. Okay, employee status. Here we have 2 types of employees, active employees and terminated employee. For active employee we don't have end date. Okay, for terminated employee we have end date also. Okay, employee start date, employment start date and employment end date. Okay, marital status, country, which country this employee from, and employee status, whether it is active or terminated, and employee first name and last name. These so 6 or 7 fields I have taken in our example. Okay, here what I am deciding here, employee status should be only 1 letter. Okay, and employee first name should be 15 characters maximum, and last name is 10 characters maximum. Country code should be 2, and start date should be 10, and end date should be 10, and marital status should be 1. Okay, in this example converted file, guys, here see, this is 1 for employee status. For employee first name should be total 15 characters. Here how many characters are there? Name 9 characters that are there, right? Remaining 6 characters we are appending the remaining 6 characters. See, guys, here in cursor in end selected values are 6. So I am appending, I appended the 6 spaces. So total length of this field is 15 characters. Okay, the same way this is 10 characters. So last name is, we decided, right, 10 characters last name. So last name is 10 characters. This only we have 5 characters here, remaining 5 spaces we have added, and country code should be 2 characters we have taken, right? Yeah. Next, start date and end date are 10 characters. Start date is 10 characters, and end date is not available. Why? Because he is active employee, end date not generated. Okay, only start date is there. In this case we have to append only spaces, 10 spaces. Okay, 10 spaces. And next last one is marital status. Marital status is 1 space only, one character only. So I have given only 1 character. Here, guys, marital status, here M and S is there. M means married and S is single. Okay, for terminated employee end date is there, but active employee no end date is there. If the end date is not available, that particular field is we have to send the spaces. Total number of characters is here, guys, 49. Okay, total for every record. So this is first record. Second record also we have total number of characters here, see guys, 49. Also okay, also here total number of characters is 49. So 49, 49, 49. Okay, now so we have in two ways we will achieve this requirement guys. One is XSLT mapping and another one is Groovy script. Okay, Groovy script I will provide this link guys, and we can find this code also in that link. Okay, so Groovy script, see, using fixed length file using XSLT mapping we are unable to achieve the requirement as expected the client. Why? It is not generating the expected length. I will explain later. First we are going to use the, first of all we are going to use the Groovy script. Using Groovy script we are going to generate the field fixed length wise first this XML file. So I am going to generate the I am going to convert this XML file to fixed length file using this Groovy script. Okay, and I will explain the step by step also later. Okay, first what I will do, I will create one iFlow guys here. I am going to create one iFlow XML to fixed length conversion. Okay, fixed length conversion, XML to fixed length conversion. Okay, add this iFlow guys. So I am going to refer this website, I already told you, right? So prerequisites before going to generate this file. So here this is the example they have taken, but I am taking another example instead of this. They have generated this a fixed length file using this XSLT code, but this XSLT code is not working properly. They have highlighted that points also why it is not working and why it is see guys, some not aligned as per the lengths. Okay, up and down it came. So that's why they have used here in this case. Next example is using this one using Groovy script. Okay, here we have to set some properties guys before that using Groovy script. Why we need to set the properties, and later we will discuss why we need to set the property in this case. Here we have two types of properties, total three types of properties we have to set guys here. First is for field names, field 1, field 2, field 3, field 4, field 5, field 6. These fields we have to know. If more than 6 fields we have to increase like 7, 8, 9, 10. So like that field names we have to set as a properties. Also field lengths also we have to set as a properties. Okay, length 1, length 2, length 3, length n and so on. Okay, we have to set that respective property. Suppose let's say in our case, if you see in our case, this is the first field. Okay, this is first field, employee status. Employee status contains what is the length guys, 1. Then in this case what we have to do, field 1 should be employee status, also length 1 should be 1. Okay, and next one is next field name is first name. So field 2 is here we should provide as first name. Also we have to provide field length is here 10. Like that we have to maintain the, we have to set the properties. Okay, later we have to write also we have to maintain guys number of fields and number of records, name of record. Okay, name of the record and number of fields, how many fields are there and what is the name of record. Okay, we are going to set that also. This is the Groovy script guys. Step by step I will explain after creating the iFlow. Okay, now coming to the iFlow guys. Sorry. So now this is the Groovy script. This is very easy Groovy script guys. Not easy in the sense just we can use it directly. This is no need to change anything here. Just we have to change the this this field names and lengths only as per our requirement, but this nothing will change, as it is we can use it. No need to change anything, no need to modify anything. Okay, here only we have to, here also we have to maintain same name, right? We are, so nothing we need to change in the here Groovy script, just we have to maintain the field names only. Okay, dynamically this Groovy script will pick the respective field for respective length and it will generate the fixed length file. Okay, so what I will do now, I am going to create one example. Okay, first we have to create exchange properties. We have to maintain the properties for field names and field lengths also. Now what I will do, come to our iFlow. This is our iFlow, guys. Okay, I am going to remove it and I will keep one timer here as usual. Okay, so guys, I will maintain our payload in one example. So content modifier body, so which we are going to convert. This is our body, right? Payload body. I will maintain here. Next, I will change the name as content modifier store message body something message XML body. Let's say XML body. Okay. After this, I have to what should I create, guys? I have to set the properties for both lengths and field names. Not only lengths and field names get, we have to set header properties also for record name and number of records. Okay, if you maintain like this, no need to change this code, guys. Just we have to change the lengths of the fields and also field names. Okay, name of the fields. Now just just follow my design, guys. It is very easy. Okay, here I am going to take content modifier to set the properties. Set field names and what field lengths, field names and field lengths. Okay, we are going to set the field names and field lengths. Okay, I have changed this name. Now what I will do, property exchange properties. So let's see how many fields are there, guys. Here in our example, 1 2 3 4 4 5 6 7, total 7 fields are there. It means we have to maintain 7 field. We have to set 7 properties for field names and also 7 properties for fixed length. So total 14 properties we have to maintain here. So 14 properties I am going to take 14. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. So I have created 14. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Now see, now we have to maintain the field 1, field 2, field 3 characters for field names. So what I will do, field 1 2 3 like that, right? Total 7 fields are there. We have field 1, field 2, field 3, field 4, field 5, field 6 and field 7. Here we have to maintain for respective field names also. Here these are the field names, right? We have to maintain, just copy this field names and maintain it here. These are the field names. Field names, field names are done. Now we have to maintain the lengths. Next is length. Field names done, right? Next is the length. Length we have to maintain. So what I will do, length, right? Again we have to maintain 7 lengths. Length 1, length 2, length 3, length 4, length 5, length 6, length 7. Okay, here we have to maintain the lengths also. So what we assumed, employee status is 1 and first name 15, last name 10. First name 15, last name 10. Next 2, 10, 10, 1. Next 2, 10, 10 and 1. Okay, I am going to save it. See guys, we have maintained exchange properties here. Now again we have to maintain header properties also. Next step is we have to maintain some header properties, record name and number of fields, record name. So what I will do, I will create two header properties here, two header properties. One is for record name and one is for number of fields, another one. So record name, record. Guys, here when you maintain this name, right, as it is we have to maintain guys as per this, or else we have to change the record name inside the Groovy script, number of fields, and if you maintain with different names, we have to maintain here same names here. Okay, the record name and the field names. Okay, here if you see record name and number of fields and number of fields. Okay, number of fields is 7 guys here, and record name is what is the record name here? Employee. This one is we have to take. Why? Because these records are only repeating, right? So whatever the records are repeating, those names we have to give here. Okay, let me do the pretty print here now, so properly came, right? This is the okay, this is the record name. Okay, done. Now what we will do, we will create Groovy script. Okay, we have maintained we set the body. Okay guys, we set the body, we maintain the properties as well. Now what I will do, I will write the Groovy script. Okay, this is the Groovy script guys, sorry. After that, maintaining the every header properties and exchange properties, we have to write this Groovy script guys. I will explain the every step Groovy script later. Now what I will do, just I will copy this Groovy script, and I have created a copy at my desktop guys. This is my desktop copy. This as it is I copied and I kept this. Okay, here this is my Groovy. Okay, already I have saved at my desktop. I will directly use it. Okay, come here and here go to script and take Groovy script. This is we can write the XML to fixed length conversion. Okay, fixed length conversion. Now guys, here just assign it, no need to create. Why? Because we have already maintained it. So upload from file system. So I am going to import it from my desktop folder. Okay, I have already saved it on my desktop. Okay, I saved it. Okay, now what I will do, I will simulate this flow once. Here start button, here stop button. Okay, just click on this, simulation successfully done. This is the output payload. Just copy this guys, and here paste it. So this is our example, right? This is our example. Total number of characters should be 49 for each row, right? See this row 49, this row also 49. See 49 selected characters. This line also 49. Let me select it from starting. This line also 49, right? So this is we have generated. We will see whether it is generated 49 or not. See guys, 49 generated and 49 generated and 49 generated. Okay, right? So now we will check with XSLT. This is the XSLT mapping, right? Here XSLT mapping guys, they have provided already in the website XSLT mapping as well. This is not converting our fixed length file proper way. Okay, it is generating extra fields also. So this is XSLT mapping, guys. These are the field names, this is the record name. Okay, right, what I did, I have changed my record name. Why? Because my XML contains the record name as employee, so I changed it to employee as a record name. And also I have maintained the fields. How many fields are there, right? 1, this is field 1, and this is 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 fields I have maintained. Okay, total 6 and 7, sorry, total 7 fields we have total. See, for employee status we have 1 character, right? So 1 character with 1 space. Also first name is, here we have total 15 characters, so 15 spaces. If the character is less than 15, it will append the spaces, okay, or else trim that extra characters. And next one is last name contains 10 characters. So here if you see, if you select here, guys, spaces, total 10 spaces. Also here 2 spaces, here see 2 spaces. Also here 10 spaces for start date, also 10 spaces for this one, and 1 space for here. So now what we will do, we will test this also, whether it is generating the proper way or not, this records, or whether it is converting the fixed length file proper way or not. Okay, go here, and what I will do, in between this one I will use the XSLT mapping. Okay, XSLT mapping, guys. I have already created this XSLT mapping, just I have copied from this website. Okay, from this website, and I have changed the record name here. Also here field names also I have changed as per the hour length. I have removed these lengths and I have kept as per my requirement, which I taken. As per this requirement, I have changed the field names and I have changed the field lengths also in XSLT mapping. Okay, for all these 7. Okay, this is my XSLT mapping. So now we will check test this XSLT mapping. Okay, just assign this XSLT mapping, guys. Here we already created this, here it is not available. Here I have XSLT mapping, open it. So till here we will test. Why? Because this is for Groovy script, right? This after this body, right, this is our XML body. This XML body should convert into fixed length file. We will check whether it will convert or not. Here, guys, this is the file. Let me copy this and paste here, and we will check the this is right. So guys, see, here should be 10 characters, right? If you have 49 characters, see, if you select here, see, it has appended extra spaces. Total how many? 93 characters came. Got it? So our XSLT mapping not generated the file in proper way. So extra how many? 93 characters. If you see selected characters in bottom, guys, in bottom of the face, selector character, my cursor, check the my cursor, 93 characters. But here when we select here, see, when we select here, see, max 49 characters only selected. But here this one, our XSLT mapping appended the spaces, extra spaces appended. Okay, instead of 49, it has given 93 character in each row. This row also, second row, let me check the second row. Okay, second row also it has generated with 93 characters. Okay, and third row also it has generated with 93 characters. So this is XSLT mapping is not generating the fixed length file in proper way or expecting way, but it is our CPI, sorry, our Groovy generated the file in proper. See, guys, only 49 characters it has generated with. Okay, so that's why I will recommend go with this one, Groovy script, instead of XSLT mapping. Okay, we will test it end to end, guys. What I will do, go here, I will check SFTP. This is SFTP, guys, and this is my SFTP server, and I have maintained all the required information here. You can see my previous SFTP setup videos if you want. Okay, this is I will open this cloud connector also. Why? Because this is on-prem. On-prem guys, let me check whether it is connected. It is connected successfully. Go to here. This is reachable. Okay, I am going to use this Rebex 18 2025. It already maintained guys. If you want more details, you can refer my previous videos. Okay, this is address guys. Okay, and go to here. This is on-prem tool. This is SAP underscore CPI is my location ID. This is we have to get from cloud connector. If you click on here, you can find here. You can find this location ID. Okay, location ID is SAP underscore CPI, and also username password. We have to maintain the username password. Go to security material. I have already maintained the username password guys. Security material. Which one? This is the I already maintained. Okay, that's it. And go to here. These all are not required. And go here. You have to maintain the directory slash from root directory. Okay, this is my data is the root directory. Under data we have target directory. See, this is the target. So target. Here I will mention the employee data underscore F5x fixed length file dot underscore. I am going to append the timestamp as well for this file dot txt. Okay, this is my requirement. So what I will do, I will enable the trace and I will deploy it. Once I deploy it, here empty, right? Here nothing is there. In target directory nothing is there. Go to inside target directory guys, nothing is there. Here only 3 folders are there. Here file will going to generate. Save and deploy. Okay, this XML. So going to convert into fixed length and it will place in our folder. See guys, file has been generated. Guys, here some blunder mistake. Here dot, right? Instead of dot I kept seems comma. Sorry. Here we should give dot. Okay. Now again I will generate one more file. Guys, for SFTP setup already one video is there in my channel. You can refer that. Okay, yeah, this is new file generated proper extension with the timestamp. Okay, see guys, now we will see and we will check here 49 characters and 49 characters and 49 characters. Okay, this is how we will generate the fixed length file guys. Okay, and one more thing I wanted to highlight here. So this is the Groovy. I will explain about the Groovy script. Come here now. Down. Okay. So what we are doing here? First of all, this is the definition, guys. Initial definition to read the message. It message contains all body, header properties and exchange properties. Okay, this message contains message process data. Message is the class. Using this class we are storing the our body into some message. Okay, now definition body is equal message dot get body. So from this message message contains, right, this message. If you see here we have simulated, right, till here we have simulated, just simulate it. See, one message contains three properties guys: body, headers, properties and body. Okay. Right, one message contains these three properties: header properties, message properties and body property. These properties one contain. So what I am doing here using this Groovy, let me pull it on another place. Okay, here message body. So definition: body equals message dot get body as a string. So it means we are storing this entire body in this variable. Okay, body variable. Next definition: properties message dot get properties. We are storing these properties in properties variable. And next one is header properties. Okay, definition: headers dot message dot getter headers. So these headers we are storing into one headers. Okay, that is completed. Now what we are doing now here, storing string record name equal headers dot get record name. So in this headers we have two header properties, okay, record name and number of fields. So what I am doing, I am storing this header name in one property, one string name, that is called as record underscore name. Okay, it is clear. Now coming to next step. Here okay, now I am storing this record name. Okay, this is the record name, right? Employee. This record name I am storing into one lines underscore record from body. What is the record name here guys? We have taken in our example. If you go here, our Groovy script example, we have taken record name as employee, right? Record name as employee. Here employee. So okay, this is our XML, right? We are storing this record name, employee record name, in one string. Which string it is? Array string, lines of record array string. So employee records, how many we have total? Employee records guys, total how many employee records are there? Same number of count it will store. How many records are here? 1, 2, 3. It may be increase or decrease guys. Okay, it will take dynamically number of records. So we are storing the number of record. It's in this based on this length. Okay, based on length we are counting the number of records. In this case, how many records are there? Total 3 records are there. Okay, with each record contains 7 fields. Okay. Now coming to here, int number of fields is equal to integer dot policy enter dot get into number of fields. So from header we set the number of fields also, right? So I am storing that number of fields into one integer name after converting it to integer from string. Okay, integer dot parseInt. So we are converting this. So we are storing this property in one of the under properties as a string. So that's why we required this number, right? Number of fields we are storing here. So automatically whenever you maintain the property, this property will store the data as a string default. So while reading the this header field, we are converting into int and we are storing that number into one integer field. Okay, clear. Next, now come to new body equals string dot buffer body. Anyway, again further purpose they are converting into some another field. Coming to here, int r is equal to 1, r is equal to less than or equal to number of records. Here guys, how many records are there here for us? 3 records are there, right? It will iterate three times. Okay, it will iterate 3 times. Iterate over records, iterate over fields. Here for after inside the record, again we have to populate the fields also. We have to take the every field. How many fields we have to take every time? Number of fields here is 7 fields. So 7 times it will be iterating. Okay, 7 times it will be iterating to read each and every field value. Okay, here guys field name, property dot get field name of field of 1. Here guys, f equal to 1, right, it will be field 1. Okay, after this conversion it will be field 1. Field 1 contains what property guys? What property field 1 contains? Here it's not in proper way. Yeah, field 1 complies employee status. Okay, now field 1 stores employee status. Okay, field 1 equal to in line record, in our example XML, what they are doing, they are reading this field. Okay, they are reading this field. Okay, they are reading this field name. This field name contains this one. Okay, in first iteration. Okay, in first field name, and this is line 1 equaled. When you convert this when line 1 equaled line record r dot split field name. So they are splitting this field name in the sense this is the name, right? They are splitting into, what is the field name here? Employee status. Okay, they are splitting here, codes are there, right? They are splitting the, let me guys, line of records, right? They are splitting this one minute guys. Here field name in the sense remove it and remove it. Okay, this is the field name. So this field name, what is the field name here guys? Now employee status. So it will replace with employee status at runtime. So it what is the number of record is first number. First number record is this one, right? In this XML. Okay. Now what they are doing here? They are splitting in this record with employee status. They are splitting this record with employee status with this. So after splitting, after performing this one, what it will be? Line 1, line 0 equaled this one. We are splitted this here, right, till here, this one, and 1 equal to this one. Okay, so here they have splitted here. -1 means they have -1, 0 is here and here, and next is this one. Same way what they are doing, I will tell you. This is completed, right? Line 2, again this line 1 contains this one guys, this one, right? They are splitting again with this one. See here, closed bracket are there, means they are going to split like this, After this line, what it will be, like line number 2 again splitted into 2 values like this. Let it be this one. This is 1 splitted, right, in this one. So this, in this way, after splitting this line 1, it this stores this one and this stores this one. So now the line 2, right? Line 2 with array 0, it contains A. It means from this tag they are trying to read only this value. So finally what they taken here, the string field value equal to line to 0. Line to 0 means what? A. Guys, got it right? So using these 4 lines, they are trying to read entire this string from this record. Okay, after reading that, first they are splitting with this space. Okay, this space, and first line line 101 contains this one, and line 1011 contains this one. Again they are going to split this line 1 with this phrase. Okay, after that line 2 of 0 contains A, and line 2 of 1 contains this one. So finally they are taking this. So from this XML tag, they are trying to read some field value. They want to exclude this field tags, and they want to read only field value. So in this case, the line to write the field value should be what is, guys, now A, right? Now field fixed length. So length of 1 here, f is nothing but here 1, right? F is nothing but 1. So here they are checking the length of 1. What is the length of 1 here, guys? We have already said the right length of 1. Length of 1 is 1. Okay. After checking that one, whether our value is greater than or equal to length or not, they are checking. If the greater than less than 1, they will pad the spaces. Okay. If the greater than this length, then they will substring, or else they will populate as it is. So these 3 conditions they are checking. So like this, every field they will check. This is one field completed. Next it will read second field. Here for us is where it is. For us the second field is this one again. From this one they will read only this value. In this value they will check, and it will check. This our script will check whether the length is greater than this number of lengths we have maintained, right? In length 1, after length 1, again it will automatically take length 2. What is the length 2 here, guys? Length 2 is 15. Okay, 15. It will check whether this Durga Rao, right, this first name, this name is greater than length, greater than that field length, or less than that field length. If it is greater than that field length, it will substring. It will less than that field length, then it will pad the spaces. Okay, see, num2 pad greater than 0 or less than 0. They are checking. Okay, not equal to length. If a field value is, then again padded value equal this one. Again it will go to next. So how many times it will iterate? Every time 7 times. After 7 times it will go to again main loop. It will take second record. Again second record it will iterate 7 times field level. Once field level operation over, then it will go to here. Again it will take the next record. Okay. In next record again it will second loop will iterate 7 times for 7 fields. After that again it will go to main for loop. Okay, again it will take the third record. Again third record contains 7 fields. It will iterate 7 times. Again it will go to the fourth record. Fourth record is not available. Why? Because number of records is this condition will fail, and it will come out from the for loop, and it will populate. It will return as a message. Finally we will receive that output. Okay, this is how the Groovy script will work, guys. This is to read that value of the field, and remaining as they are checking that field value with that length. If the length is less than that field value, then it will append the fields. It is greater than that value, then it will trim the field characters, and if the length is equal, then it will populate as it is. Okay, those cases they have checked here. This is how Groovy script will work, guys. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Please share and subscribe. And I will add this website link, guys, in my description, video description. Please check and practice. And if you have any requirements in your projects also, you can use it very easy. Thank you. Bye.